Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. And you guys, today I want to shout out the Sperry topsider. You guys, Sperry's, I think, like for me, I was introduced to them with their dock siders. You know, you think of those little kind of boat shoes, summer shoes to me, but this is kind of their winter version. The topsider is going to be kind of shaped like a duck boot. This is gonna be great for in the cold. Of course, since they're Sperry's, they hold up to salt water. They're great for boats, they're great for water, they are great for being in the elements, but they're also super fashionable. This is great for anywhere that has a lot of rainy weather. Great for splashing around in the mud. Great for if you are in colder climates. These just scream like breakup weather. This is what you want. You know, they are gonna protect your feet, still be fashionable. They're from Sperry, so you know that they're gonna last forever and ever and ever. I think I still have Sperry's that I've had for a decade for sure. These are super cute with Sperry's crew socks. You can kind of pull them up over the top of the boot. They look super cute. These are definitely a boot that you can leave unlaced a little bit for a more relaxed, kind of fashionable look. But you know, if you're wearing it and you're gonna be out in the elements, you might wanna like tighten those up, and you know that they're just gonna keep you super protected from any sort of snow, water, mud, whatever it might be. These are just a great shoe, and they're great for both, you know, fashion and also actually hold up and being functional. Sperry's are great, so you know that you can trust these. You can also trust Amazon because you know you've got that A to Z guarantee if something doesn't work out. Sperry's have always fit really true to size for me. I'm an 8.5 wide usually, but I don't even have to order these in a wide. They just fit great. So you know, if you guys do have a little bit of a wider foot, Sperry's are really forgiving in that area. Go ahead and put these in your cart. You guys will be super